Hi everyone, this is Grammar Intermediate, Chapter 1, Present Simple or Present, Simple Present and Present Progressive. Look at these simple sentences in the present simple tense. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you, Alex. My name is Joannes. I am glad to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from the Czech Republic. Where do you live now? I live in Mexico because this is a fact. Where do you live? I live in a house near school. Where do you live? I live in an apartment about 10 minutes away by bicycle. We shop every day. This is a habit. Look at this timeline. We are going to use this timeline to show the tense or the present simple uh, where or when is it located in this, or where is it located in this timeline? It is in the past, it began in the past, and it is now, and it is in the future. It continues in the, because it is a habit. Past, now, future. Jill eats lunch every day. So it means every day, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. I usually study English on Wednesday. Is on Wednesday. All these are daily habits, usual activities. Dogs bark, lions roar. These are facts, general statements of facts. Okay, so events or situations always, usually, habitually in the past, present, future. So present simple, uh, habitually in the past, and in the past, present, and future. Negative. How do we form the negative? We add do not or does not. He does not watch TV on weekends. Question. We use do or does before the subject. Does the dog bark loudly? So these are the negative and the question. How to form the negative and the question. If I say he does not watch, I do not watch. Question. Does that dog? Do I? Do they? And so on. The present progressive. The present progressive is composed of am or is or are, verb to be, plus verb plus ing. And it refers to actions happening right now. Magda is feeding her horse right now. I can't talk now. I am playing the guitar. Why? Because I'm playing the guitar now. They are eating dinner right now. Okay? The present progressive, the negative. We use not after the auxiliary am or is or are. Am or is or are. It is not snowing right now. Question: is it snowing right now? We start with the auxiliary. Is it snowing right now? Simple. Am, is, are plus verb plus ing. Timeline again. Okay? Present continuous or present. I am playing guitar. I'm playing tennis. It means it started in the past, and now at the time of speaking, okay, I do the activity, and it will end in the future, but I don't know when, because it is progressive, okay, or in progress. It is not complete. It is not perfect. It swims. This is a fact. It is swimming now. See the difference? Okay? Simple present. They run. They are running. Simple question. Simple present. Do you run? In the present progressive, we say, are you running? These are contractions. I am, I am running. You are, you're running. She is, she's running. Okay, these are pronoun with pronoun verb to be. Contractions. Does not, doesn't. She doesn't run. Do not. They do not run. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Is not, isn't. He isn't running. Contractions. Are not, aren't. Not, I'm not running. It's Monday and my mom is teaching math. Daily usual habits or happening right now is teaching math. Correct. Happening right now. Correct. She does not usually teach on Monday. Huh? This is a question. Is it daily usual habit or happening right now? Correct. Daily usual habit. Thank you for your answer. She usually teaches on Tuesday and Thursday. Is it daily habit or happening right now? Usually teaches. Yes, correct. Daily usual habit. Today is unusual. She's teaching a class for new students. Daily usual habit or happening right now? She's teaching class for new students. Yes, correct. Happening right now. Okay, look at this sentence. Are you? Hmm? We need to use fill in the gap with these verbs. Listen. Are you listening? Correct. The birds sing right now. Huh? Are singing right now. They every morning, and we use verb sing. They sing every morning. Next. Are you huh, watch or watching? Watching TV. No, I am checking email. I always check email before I go to sleep. Correct. Thank you for your answer. Ayako frequently talks on the phone. Frequently talks. These are frequency adverbs. Adverbs used with the present simple tense, simple present tense, always, almost, always, usually, often, frequently, generally, sometimes, occasionally. These are positive. Okay, this means we do the action many times or sometimes. Okay, if you say negative, the negative, we do not do the action. Seldom, rarely, hardly ever, almost never, not ever, never. So all these are adverbs used with the present simple tense or simple present tense, and we can divide them into positive, used in the positive sentence, and the negative sentence. So always, almost, usually, often, frequently, generally, sometimes, occasionally, these are positive. Next, seldom, rarely, hardly ever, almost never, not ever, never, these negative. These are negative. Hannah always eats lunch at school. So subject, we see subject. Here is a verb. So the verb before, sorry, adverb before the verb. Frequency adverb before the verb. Subject, adverb, verb. Okay? Subject, frequency adverb, present simple or simple present verb. Hannah is always happy. Subject, verb to be, frequency adverb. Notice here, if all adverbs come before the verb except verb to be, they come after verb to be. We don't say Hannah always is. No, Hannah is always. But here, look at this one with it or any other verb. We say always eat. Okay, this is a note you should take into consideration. Question: does he usually walk to school? Here is does, subject, and the adverb. Alex usually doesn't eat meat. The adverb, negative, okay, verb. Alex does not always eat meat. So the negative with the verb, auxiliary verb, then the adverb and the verb. Okay? So usually here usually before do not and does not. But here does not always eat meat with always. Always comes after does not or do not. Negative helping verb. Negative be, verb to be. Okay? Correct. Mercy never drinks milk. Incorrect. We don't say Mercy does not never drink milk. We have two here, two negatives, and this is not grammatical. Okay, negative adverb plus negative verb, like this, never drinks. This is forbidden. We don't say negative adverb plus two negatives, forbidden in grammar. Negative adverbs, seldom, rarely, hardly ever, almost never, not ever, never. Okay, do you ever ride horses? Yes, I sometimes ride horses. Questions about frequency at any time, ever, ever used with questions about frequency with at any time. Do you ride horses? No, I don't ever ride horses. Ever, with not. Okay. Do you ride horses? I ever ride horses. This is ungrammatical. This is not correct. Not used in statements. So don't use ever with in statements. Often. Jacob plays his guitar. Jacob often plays his guitar. Usually, use usually. The baby is happy. The baby is usually happy. Use always. Katie is at her violin lesson on Thursday. Use always. Katie is always at her violin lesson on Thursdays. She eats, singular, okay? She eats. They eat together, singular. One dog, plural, two dogs, three dogs, many dogs, okay? Singular, one, singular and plural. Dogs bark. So in the present simple, with the singular, we use S with the verb. But with the plural subject, we don't use S. So dogs bark. A plural noun ends in S. A singular verb ends in S. So if it is the noun in plural, so it ends in S. If the verb is singular, it ends in S. So here, look here, where is S? Dogs bark. A dog barks. Okay? A dog barks. Singular, we use S with the verb. Plural, no. No S with the verb. S only with the noun. A cat plays with the ball. It plays in the basement. Zoo plays with her toys. She plays happily. Tyler plays with his toy trucks. He plays every day. Look at this sentence and compare all these singular verb, singular subjects, and we use S with the verb, a singular subject and a singular verb. Justin has 2 children. Is it noun or a verb? It is a verb. Okay. Just Justin has 2 children. It is a verb. Singular or plural? Verb. Yes, it is singular. One person. Peaches are usually delicious. Noun or the underlined word. Peaches. Okay. Noun or verb? Yes, noun. Okay. Is it singular or plural? Yes, plural. Are. Noun or verb? Yes, verb. Singular or plural? Yes, plural. My mom teaches at the university. Noun or verb? Verb. Singular or plural? Singular. My mom grows tomatoes in her garden. Visits. Speak. But we do not add es, just s. We add s, not es. For most verbs, rides. Okay, rides. So we add s for verbs ending in e. Catch. Here we add es. Washes. Misses. Fixes. Buzzes. Okay. Add es if the verb ends with ch or sh or s or x or z. Catches, washes, misses, fixes, buzzes, and so on. Flies. Why? If the verb ends in y, we change it into I and add es. Consonant, change the y into I and add es. Bays. Why we do not add es here? Because here y after a vowel, here y after consonant. Look at this difference. Go, goes. Do, does. Have, has. These are irregular forms. Okay. Verb. The child smiled a lot. Is it a verb? Smile. S or es? Yes. Correct. Smiles. Only S. The girl wash the car. Wash. Verb. Is it a verb? Yes. Where is the verb? Wash. S or yes? Yes. ES. He do his laundry on Monday. Where is the verb? Yes. Do. S or yes? Yes. ES. Arian has a new car. I know your sister. I am knowing your sister. With verbs which refer to knowing or senses or sense or cognition, we cannot use these verbs in the present continuous or the present progressive. We use these verbs in and verbs also verbs of emotion. We use these verbs and the present and the simple present tense. I know your sister. I don't say I'm knowing. I'm thirsty. I want something to drink. I don't say I'm wanting. This is incorrect. Okay. So all these are non-action verbs. Non-action verbs only in the simple present. I prefer iced tea. I don't say I'm preparing. This is not correct. So non-action verbs, existing situation. Action and progress, non-action verbs. I think that, I don't say I'm thinking. I think that learning English is important. Think means believe, يعتقد. Non-progressive. I'm thinking about studying right now. If you say I'm thinking, it means these are thoughts in a person's mind, can be progressive. So there is a difference between I think and I'm thinking. I think it means I believe, but I'm thinking it means I am thinking right now. I have thoughts about studying right now. Okay. Jesse has a motorbike. When have, it means here have, and has, it means own, يمتلك. My aunt is having an operation. Okay. Here when this does not mean own, يمتلك. If it is used have or has used in the progressive or the continuous, it does not mean own. Progressive verbs or non-action verbs. Remember, does he always your birthday? Remember your birthday. Use have. Are you trouble with your homework? Are you having trouble with your homework? This does not mean own. She think. What? Complete the sentence. What is she thinking about? Is Andrew muddy? Question. Does these are short answers. Does Cheryl like yogurt? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Long answer. If you say long answer, yes, she likes yogurt. Zabadi. No, she doesn't like yogurt. Do you like yogurt? Short answer, yes, I do. No, I don't. Long answer, yes, I like yogurt. No, I don't like yogurt. Okay. Question with verb to be. Question, are you teaching? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Yes, I am teaching. This is long answer. No, I'm not teaching. Is Madison a teacher? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. No, she isn't. Yes, she is or she is. She's a teacher. She's not, or no, she's not a teacher. Long answer. Are Jane and Ali teaching? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. No, they are not. Yes, they are teachers. No, they are not teachers. Oscar sent. Does, complete the sentence. Oscar sent many text messages. Yes, he does. Use subject he and verb sent. He sent a text message right now. Is he sending a text message right now? No, he isn't. You unlike scary movies. Question. Do you like scary movies? Yes, I do. Your sister like scary movies too? Form the question. Does your sister like scary movies too? No, she doesn't. Okay. Thank you for your uh, listening and hope this is helpful.